Hey, Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, and I know you are too. So this video is the start of day 2 of our bus driver appreciation math. This is question number 1. Make sure you have your sheet and let's begin. All right, read the problem with me. It says, my bus driver picked up 31 students at the first stop, 17 students at the second stop, and 28 students at the third bus stop. How many students are there on the bus in all? So, yesterday we talked about using a problem-solving mnemonic device. We'll do that again today, and bam, here are the clues to help you work out those problems. So the first step is the C step. It says to circle the numbers. What I want you to do is look at the problem and call out some numbers for me. What numbers do you see? I see 31. What else do you see? 17. What else do you see there? 28. Okay, any other numbers? Nope, that is in. We are done with step number 1. Check. All right, next step is the U step in cubes. It says underline the important words. Now, let's look at the problem and look at the numbers to help us find some keywords, okay? And we're looking for some units. So 31 what? 31 students. What about 17? 17 what? 17 students. What else do you see? 28. And what's the unit? 28 what? Students. What other keywords do you see? What other keywords? Oh, I see a question. And it's in the question. Keyword right there is in all. Now, that will help us figure out what operation we have to do. Now, if you underline some other keywords in the sentence to help you out, that's great. Now, I think these are the most important ones that we have, so I think we're good right here. What, you want to do that? Okay, so let's do first stop. We could do second stop, and then we can do third bus stop. Oh, and those are numbers too, but not numbers to help us solve the problem. All right, we are done with step U, underlining the important words. The next step is step B in our Cubes mnemonic device, and it says box the question. All right, can you read me? Find me the question there. Find the question. Oh, there's the question mark. So that was easy. How many students are there on the bus in all? Let us highlight. I want to highlight that. How many? You can draw a box. You can circle it. I want to highlight it. You can highlight it also. So the question is how many students are there on the bus in all? So that was an easy step. Check with that one. Next step in our Cubes problem-solving mnemonic device is E. E step, it says eliminate. Eliminate, get rid of unnecessary information. Do you see anything in this problem that we don't need? No, we need all the information in the problem. Sometimes when you have problems, they give you extra numbers to try to trick you, but I know you're so smart and you won't get tricked. So we are done with step E, and the last step in our Cubes problem-solving mnemonic device is the S step. That says to solve and check. Now, to solve and check, we need to figure out what operation we should use. Now, look at the clues in the problem. Remember we talked about that in all? So how many students are there on the bus? So imagine if the driver's driving, picking up all these kids at each bus stop. What do we need to do? We need to add. We need to add, bam, right there. So are you ready to add? Okay, to add, we need to write the numbers which way? Vertically up and down, not horizontally, but vertically up and down. So we have 31 plus 17. Oh, no. 17 and 28. And we need to add all those numbers together. Are you ready to add? Let's add. We could do 1 plus 7 is 8, and then 8 plus 8 is 16. Or we can do 7 and 8 is 15 plus 1 is 16. Or 1 and 8 is 9 plus 7 is 16. Either way, if you know your addition facts, you can add that really, really well. So that was 16. Write the 6. Now put a plus 1 up here. I think some people get confused about that one. So we can write a plus 1 at the top. And now we have 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Plus 2 more is 7. Or you can mix up the numbers as long as you don't leave anything out. And do 3 and 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. And 1 is 7. So the answer, bam, right there is 76. And there's something we need to do. Always with your answer, you need to write the what? You need to write the unit. And what is the unit of this problem? 76 what? 76 right there. Students. So write 76 students. So if I ask you how many students are there in the bus in all, you can say, Miss Alana, there are 70 students on the bus in all. We're done with question. Oh no, we forgot to check. We got to check. Check it. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 8 is 16. Write the 6, carry the 1. 1 and 3 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. Yup, we got that right. I'm going to give myself a big old check right there. Woohoo, happy face. We're done with question number 1. See you on the next question. Check out the other videos. See you then.
You blew my mind.